If you're looking for smart and easy tips to keep your closet organized, well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to show you some wonderful techniques that we're pretty sure your closet would appreciate. You can fit all of your summer dresses like so in a box. We know that socks are pretty annoying when it comes to folding, but this method is a game changer. See, they even look cuter. Let's move on to the next ideas. Who knew folding your sweaters could be this easy? And it's done just like that. We still have some methods left to show you, so let's keep watching. There's something very satisfying about watching these clothes get folded into a perfect shape, so we really could stay and watch these all day. These tips could also become very useful when you need to pack for a trip. Hope you like these ideas.